Creating short, engaging clips from your long-form videos used to feel like a never-ending, exhausting nightmare. You know the routine. You spend hours scrubbing through footage, hunting for those 5 seconds of gold, only to realize you still need to crop, caption, and resize. It all piles up, especially when you are working on a slow machine, turning your creative process into an absolute slog. But what if there was a smarter, faster route that actually handles the heavy lifting for you automatically? Enter Vizard, an AI-first tool designed specifically to turn your long-form content into ready-to-post clips in minutes. Vizard doesn't try to be every tool in the shed. Instead, it focuses on the tedious parts creators hate most. It automates finding viral moments, generating captions, and publishing everything on a cadence you choose. Think of it like a personal assistant that finds your best clips, polishes them up, and drops them on your social channels. Let me walk you through how this works, as if you were looking right over my shoulder at my screen. First, you simply start a new project and upload that long video file you want to repurpose. Vizard immediately scans everything in the background, analyzing the scenes, audio peaks, and detecting highlights. It magically surfaces the most engaging moments, letting you pick from clips tailored for punchy laughs or dramatic pauses. I usually let the AI pick a batch automatically because its algorithm is tuned specifically to spike viewer attention. Once the clips are generated, you can preview them instantly, saving you from hunting for that 20-second gem. Vizard applies smart defaults like vertical cropping and auto-captioning the moment you select the clip. If you need to make changes, everything is simple click and drag, without the complexity of professional layers. Captions are huge for engagement, and Vizard handles them perfectly by auto-transcribing and positioning them for you. The transcript is fully editable inline, so if the AI misses a word, you just type to fix it, and it updates globally. You can quickly swap font styles or colors and apply them across dozens of clips, which is a massive time saver. Here is where Vizard really shines. It uses its auto-editing features to propose clips with a high chance of going viral. You can accept those suggestions, reject others, or adjust the start and end points in just a few seconds. It is essentially like having a professional editor who knows exactly what works on TikTok and Instagram. Need to go global? Vizard makes multi-language reach incredibly easy by generating translated captions for your content. You can create localized versions without needing to rebuild the entire video project from scratch. Scheduling used to be an afterthought, but Vizard's auto-schedule feature completely changes that game. Just set your desired cadence, like 3 shorts per week, and the system queues everything up for you. The content calendar shows exactly what is scheduled, drafts, and posted assets, keeping your channels alive effortlessly. This set-it-and-forget-it approach ensures you never have those long, frustrating gaps in your posting schedule. Now, let's be honest and compare this to tools like HitPaw Eddi Maker, which are great for subtitle tasks. HitPaw is solid if you strictly need studio-grade subtitles or AI dubbing with drop shadows and custom styles. However, those tools often lack the automated clip discovery and the cross-platform scheduling that Vizard excels at. If your goal is to turn a library of long-form content into a steady stream of platform-optimized posts, Vizard handles the end-to-end flow better. You can even create your own brand templates for intro bumpers, lower thirds, and color palettes to keep things consistent. Save these as templates, and Vizard applies your unique look across a whole batch of clips in one go. The text-based editing feature is another favorite for creators who prefer working with scripts. Just highlight the text and hit delete to trim an awkward pause or an off-topic riff from your video. It beats hunting through a waveform for filler words and is perfect for tightening up interview-style footage. Batch exports are painless because you just select which platforms you want to hit, like TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Vizard automatically adjusts the framing and aspect ratios for each platform, saving you from creating multiple project files. Here are a few quick tips to maximize your results. Start by uploading the highest quality source footage you can find. If your original footage has chapter markers, feed them into Vizard to give the AI cues for better clip selection. Create your brand templates early so that every single clip feels like a cohesive part of your channel's personality. Use that text-based editor to remove filler words, because those small edits make your clips significantly more watchable. When it comes to pricing, remember that tools that handle everything often have tiers for different needs. If you are a creator pushing out multiple clips every week, the paid plan effectively pays for itself in saved time. Compared to juggling a dozen piecemeal tools for subtitles, editing, and scheduling, Vizard streamlines your entire workflow. To wrap up, if you are tired of manually clipping long videos and wrestling with captions every single week, this is your solution. It finds the moments that matter, styles them for the platforms you care about, and helps you publish on a consistent schedule. Give it a try with just one long stream. Upload it, let the AI pick highlights, tweak the captions, and schedule a week of posts. You can get it all done in under 20 minutes, which is the difference between weekend editing and real growth. If you care about publishing steady, high-quality clips without burning out, Vizard just makes total sense. Try it out, and if you want, I'll walk you through a sample project where we make a week's worth of content in one go. See you in the next one.